Hello everybody, welcome back, and yes, today is the day that I reveal my true form, not really true form, but my new form. So yeah, after many of these videos I and Fish have created, I just wanted to show you the new generation of Rales. And Rales, yup, that's me. Now, I want to tell you something special. I had so much progress within the past. I've made so much progress on my channel within the past few years. Just so you know, but okay. So ready or not, here it goes. Introducing the new 2022 Rales Gen 2. That's right. Yeah, so why do I have a little fluffer nutter on my collar? Because I just like it. It gives me more style. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the day. Gotta do more better tests on myself though. Launching mid-September 2021. Gotta go boy.